Okay, see if you guys can do this. Make X the subject. X is stuck. X is here. Okay. We'll visualize this as one whole thing, one bubble here, and this bubble taking away this bubble here. So here your eye should zoom into the X. X is stuck in this bubble, so this bubble is very important. But you can see it's a minus a bubble. You don't ultimately you don't want minus X equals something. So the first thing you should do is to add this bubble to both sides because of this minus here. Well, anyway, have a go. Make X the subject of this thing. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so now I'm going to visualize it like this. Here my eyes should zoom into the X. I can see some minus here. So you've got to add this bubble to both sides. Okay, so it will be, well, take this down. Hang on, it will be 4 over 3a, and then add this bubble here. So it will be 2 over 5x equals 6 over b. Okay. Because look, we've got our bubble here. Add this bubble here equals this bubble here. And now we will our eyes should zoom into the X, which is in this bubble here. So let's get rid of this bubble now, so that well, basically get rid of this bubble here, so that this bubble can stand on its own. The one that's containing X could stand on its own. So inside your mind, take away this bubble. Take away this bubble here. Okay. So hang on. Let's take this bubble down here, the one on the right. Let's take that down. Okay. And then take away 4 over 3a, because we are taking away this bubble here. Okay. And on the left hand side it will be 2 over 5x. 2 over 5x. Again, keep an eye on X. Ultimately, we want to get X on its own, so we've got to take the reciprocal, so that we can't kill it. We can't kill off the X when it's at the bottom, so we've got to get it on the top. So ultimately, we want to take the reciprocal both sides. But the reciprocal thing only works if you have one fraction. Here you've got one fraction. And then here's another fraction. So merge the two together, and then we can take the reciprocal. So in order for us to use this reciprocal move, we've got to merge the two fractions. We can only have one fraction in order to use the reciprocal rule. So here, just get the two denominators to be the same. How do we get the two denominators here to be the same? So I'm going to times top and bottom here by 3a times 3a here. On this side, I'm going to times top and bottom by b. This one here, I'm going to times by b. Okay. Watch this. It's the two denominators will be the same. Watch this. Hang on. So we've got two fractions here. 6 times 3a. Well, 6 times 3, 18. 18a. Well, basically 6 times 3a would be 18a. B times 3a would be 3ab. I like to keep it alphabetical. You could do 3ba. Well, it's pretty much the same. Now this one here, 4 times b would be 4b, and 3a times b would be 3ab. See that? The two denominators are the same now. On the left hand side, pretty much the same. We're not doing anything. We are just rewriting this fraction. We are just rewriting this fraction here. Okay? But the good thing is the two fractions, they've got the same denominator here. See? So now that the denominators are the same, we can merge. So 3ab, this one would be 18a, take away 4b. Well, we are not doing anything. So this stays the same. And now let's take the reciprocal of both sides now. Okay, turn both fractions upside down. So it will be 5x over 2. This one will be 3ab over 18a minus 4b. Okay. Now we need to kill off. So here you can visualize it as this: one bubble dividing by another bubble. So let's times both sides by 2 just to kill off this 2 here. So times both sides by 2. This side would be 5x. Remember, when you times 2, it gets multiplied to the top because you're multiplying a fraction. So it would be 6ab. Remember, so the number merged with this number here. So let's merge the two numbers together. So it would be 6ab. Okay. This one here would be 18 here, 18a minus 4b. Okay. And now you got to divide both sides by 5. So if you divide both sides by 5, it will look like this: 6ab over 18a minus 4b divided by 5. Well, if you divide, it gets multiplied to the bottom. Okay. Remember, we've got to use brackets here because it's just like me ages ago explaining the elephant here. It's just like ages ago. It's just like me explaining this. A blue whale here. Let's say a blue whale weighs the same as an elephant plus a giraffe. And I said that if you multiply by both sides by 4, you're going to have 4 blue whales, 4 elephants, and 4 giraffes. My point is that the elephant goes up, the giraffes goes up as well. So when you multiply to the bottom here, when you multiply this 5 to the bottom here, you've got to have this. You've got to have this 6 AB over. Now imagine this is one bubble. Imagine this is your elephant here. This is your giraffe here. So when you multiply just to the bottom, it will look like this. You've got to use brackets. Everyone makes this mistake. Sorry. So here it will look like this. Okay. It should look like this. So here, if you have this, blue whale equals elephant plus giraffe. If you multiply by 4, if you multiply both sides by 4, you will have 4 blue whales, and then 4 basically bracket elephant plus giraffe. And so here you multiply this, it will be 4 elephant, 4 giraffes. So it's the same thing here. Okay. So anyway, the hard part is this bit here. If you multiply, yeah, well, I think you have to watch one of the earlier videos here if you're really stuck on this bit here. You've got to watch one of the earlier videos. So here it will become this. Okay.